Hello everyone, this is Srinjoy Chakroborty from the M.Sc Biological Sciences batch of 2017-19 at Sunandan School of Science. Let me start off by saying that it's very difficult to include even a fraction of all the memories and experiences of 2 years in such a short period of time. Life at SOS is like a journey of self-discovery. The Masters in Biological Sciences at Sunandan School of Science is extensive and extremely detailed. The M.Sc Biological Sciences course is a very research-specific and hands-on course. It includes an array of interesting subjects like molecular medicine, cell biology, molecular oncology, bioinformatics, and analytical techniques. One important thing that this course and the faculty does is help students imbibe an aptitude for research. Co-curricular activities like journal clubs, group discussions, and interactions seminars, and even paper presentations were ways of broadening our minds that help us understand the world of the STEM research industry. Sunandan School of Science has always had a very pro-student environment, and the faculty members are very supportive and encouraging. Although there have been some tough moments in this journey, but these moments have had such a crucial impact on us and has taught us to be strong to face the outside world. The placement cell has been a special part of this journey. The best part of this program was that I got an opportunity to undergo a 6-month extensive research training at Bhabha Atomic Research Center in Mumbai. Through the placement cell, I joined a leading multinational organization. Today, I am a junior research fellow at Amity University, and I owe it all to each and every one of my professors at Sunandan School of Science. Not only was I a part of perhaps the best class, but I was also fortunate enough to attend lectures by visiting faculty members from various industries and laboratories. The journey at Sunandan School of Science will always stay very, very close to my heart.